Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to remove background in DaVinci Resolve 18 without having a green screen. Now this is something that a lot of people are, difficult to try to see, how you can remove the background. So today I'm going to show you just that. So first of all, this is step by step. So we'll need to first set up the document. So open a clip or project. If you already have a clip or project, make sure it's on your timeline. And next up is we need to edit a page. So go to the bottom of the canvas, click on the edit page icon, which is right here, as you can see. Next, you should be on the edit page to change the background of the clip, having a white or black background. So click and drag on the video to the timeline and adjust it as required. So then what you'll need to do is click on the clip within the timeline and make sure it's selected. Next up, you'll need to go to the Fusion page. So this is the Fusion page right here. Go to the bottom of the canvas, click the Fusion page icon. Next up, once you have the Fusion page, you will notice that you have media in and media out, which is right here, media in and media out nodes. Now you will need to select the media in node displayed on the timeline. Press Shift plus Spacebar. This will open a list of tools that you will choose from, and make sure to type Luma here, or LKY. And then, as you can see, this is how it's going to go. This is basically the window that you're looking for. Click on the Luma keyer, click Add, and then as you can see, the Luma keyer will be added to the nodes right here. Now, if the Luma keyer option isn't added to the nodes automatically, you can do this manually. You need to connect the media in output with the Luma keyer output, and then connect the Luma keyer output to the media out output. So this is really simple. Then adjust the Luma keyer settings. So go to your inspector, which is right here on the right side. It's usually on the right side. And as you can see, you can adjust luminance and contrast slider as per your requirement to remove the black or white background of the clip. And basically, that is basically going to be it. You will be able to go and you'll be able to remove, your background without green screen in, DaVinci Resolve 18. So if you have any questions or comments around this, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.